Hey, you gotta keep it real, man.
Man, nobody give a shit about the hood.
I do.
All they do is sell yay and ruin the place. No crack ever made a gang type.
I don't know, man.
What's up, y'all?
What's up, CJ? What's crack? Man, all they care about is smoking and money.
You can't knock a homie's hustle, sweet.
Them marks ain't soldiers. They idiots trying to be businessmen.
Yeah, but they down with us, man.
All they down with is money. CJ, go down there and show these fools you mean business. These chumps on the ballers are sweating the homies. Go put pressure on them. Let's do it.
We've been putting time in the hood, but we gotta get the homies back together. Like the old days.
Yeah, you right. If you and Ryder gonna handle your business. Man, they're slang to their own mama. They don't care about nothing.
You're naive, my friend. We gotta keep our focus.
We need some backup. You seen Beat Up?
But him and the homeboy Bear, they good to have on our side.
Oh, Big Bear? Yeah, them bass slangers gonna be sorry now.
Hey, Beat Up is only a couple of blocks away.
The hood's all messed up, huh?
Yeah, you try to get any of these crackheads to help you out.
No wonder the families ain't up on it.
Apart from Smoke, Sweet, and you know yours truly. Grove Street don't bang no more.
Yeah, just get blown.
For sure.
Another 187, haha!
Did you know that guy?
Yeah, take it to the head. Dead body made my day.
CJ, what you doing?
Stupid mob.
Oh man, I just ate.
Head to a 1017 in Central Kansas. Suspect left seen from a bloody Quadbike.
Did that on purpose.
You hoping I don't see you again?
Go around the pedestrian, homie.
Righteous, homie. This murder puts me in the mood. If I catch you...
CJ, man, chill out.
My nails!
You meant to do that.
What the hell? I made that fool drink piss. Do it hurt?
Another classy piece of driving, huh?
Walk it off! No! Non-driving pump. Ah, damn, I missed out on the bump.
Yeah, nice and cold.
You know that guy?
Got a 1017.
CJ, what you doing?
Suspect left seen from a bloody Quadbike.
Oh man, I just ate.
These Santos bitches.
Did that on purpose. Go around the pedestrian, homie. Hey, slow down, fool. You don't even know which store it is.
Whatever, man. This it?
Yeah, this it right here.
Open up! You sure he still live here?
Fool, I told you this is.
Open up!
Who the fuck is it? CJ, the fuck you want? Get the fuck out of here.
Wait, hold up, man. What happened to for life, nigga?
The only thing that matters is the hood, homie. But you'll never understand what getting this money is like. You know what, man? Get the fuck out of here before you be laying on your back. Big Bear, come check this fool.
Hey, Bear? Big Bear, that's you? Hey, you still from the hood, homie, or
Nah,
what?
the only thing Bear give a fuck about is smoking and keeping my house clean. Ain't that right, Big Bear?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, what?
Hell yeah, sir.
Now go make that motherfucking toilet spark.
No, man.
Man. Bear, come on.
Everyone likes to party sometimes, CJ. I'll see you around.
Stay the fuck from round here, punk.
Hey, nigga, fuck you.
It's just fucked up.
I see what you mean now, man. Crack can do that to Big Bear, turn him into a base slave. The average motherfucker ain't got a chance.
Damn dope fiends and drug addicts everywhere in the city. Piss me off.
Look like it's up to us then.
Let's just cruise through the hood and find us somebody selling.
What's up, dog? What's that? Got me nice and strong. You got nothing to beat, dummy. I'm gonna take this guy down.
DJ, man, chill out.
10-17 west Kansas. Suspect last seen on a Quadbike.
You meant to do that. Another classy piece of driving, huh?
I've got this collar, boys.
Hey, check it out. Somebody's selling to one of the homies.
I got places I gotta be.
Hey, partner, I'm working, man. What you need? What you need, dog?
Dog, I got...
Shit!
You know that guy?
What's cracking, fool?
Man, I know this cat. He a punk used to run with a front yard baller OG from Idlewood. I know his place. It's just across the tracks there. Let's check it out.
Hey, ain't that front yard turf?
Man, are you a buster?
Nah, I'm down, homie.
Hey, grab hold of that bat over there.
Man, we on a serious mission now.
And don't sweat it, homie. Everybody in the hood know ballers are pussies. Get out! DJ, what you doing?
Get up, baby boy.
Oh man, I just ate. Wait, man, you can smell a crack den a mile away.
Yeah, let's shoot through and introduce ourselves.
Good afternoon, baller dope pushers. Grove Street OGs come to do damage.
Fuck them Grove Street fools. Grove Street going down.
Ninja these motherfuckers. What's happening, boy? Toe to toe. Get out of my way, fool. You just slept on.
Now Ballers know Grove Street families on their way back up.
For sure, homie. And what's more, you ain't run out on me. Times changed.
Oh man, they gonna be mad at us.
And I'll warn the gang later. For now, let's just bask in the silence of victory, motherfucker. Did that on purpose. Go around the pedestrian, homie.
Come on, man, move! Stay off the track, man!
I'm not about to take that.
CJ, man, chill out.
Don't make me kick your ass. I'm too high for this shit. Move!
You meant to do that. Another classy piece of driving, huh? Did you know that guy? Now that the bass ain't getting pushed up in their faces, maybe these fools should be up for some real banging.
Yeah, Grove gonna get back on his feet now, for sure though.
Later, homie.
Hey, baby.
What's up? I'm a man of peace, baby.
Carl, it's Officer Hernandez.
Who?
Officer Hernandez. I work with Tenpenny and Pulaski.
Oh, the bitch. What the hell you want?
Hey, show me some respect, boy.
Go fuck yourself. You just a bitch.
You watch your tone, boy. Now listen, I've got a message from Officer Tenpenny. Don't try and leave town. That would be a big mistake. You hear me? We're watching you.
Whatever you say, bitch.
Hey, how can I get like you, homie?
Dude, please, shut up.
All I'm saying is, oh, forget it.